Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video with us. So right now here is one of my friend present here, and you know very well him because maybe more than 1 month ago we was making video continuously, but recently we are not able to make video get together because now I am residing in my in outside, so for this reason actually, and recently he has completed his HEC exam, right?
Yes.
So can I ask you some question?
Of course you can.
Okay, so recently you have completed your HEC exam. So what about your what can I say actually? What was your preparation, and will you be able to get a good score in your exam? What do you think?
Okay, thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity. So I was excited when I will complete my HEC exam, and now before 3 days I have completed my HEC exam, and it feels like my dream has come true because it's been 2 years I'm waiting for completing my HEC course, and it was a great preparation for me because HEC level is a really high time because if anyone can do something, if they can get better result in HSC, they can do something different. Okay, it's the result is also mandatory for our life, and if we want to get any job, we need this type of result. So if I get better result, better score from HSC, it will be better for me. And also my feeling is very well because now I'm free and I'm also preparing for getting admission any college or university.
Okay, thank you so much, Liman. So, do you have any intention to get chance for reading in kinds of university?
Yeah, inshallah, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give me stand power, give me the opportunity, of course I will take admission at any university, national university or varsity. I will take admission.
Okay, thank you so much. So, as I have completed my HSC exam before 1 month, so I have some tips and tricks for you.
Okay.
Like if you want to get, or if you want to get a chance to read some university, like national university is different. But if you want to just get chance, university like public university. So first of all, you have to set your dream that anyhow any cost I have to complete some books related admission. Okay, so first of all you have to buy some books and you have to read from now. It will be better for you, I know, but if you don't have any intention to get a chance to public university, so you have another opportunity, that is national university, right?
Yeah.
National university. So as also I'm trying also I'm reading honors first year. Okay, national university. So if you want to get so first of all I have one question that so what is your dream, that if you want to join national university or public university? First of all I want to know.
My target is to get admission national university. It will
Okay.
be better for me because I'm not that much prepared to get admit public university because I had to, if I want to do, I should have done this work before 1 year so that I will be able to do something different to get admit national university.
Okay.
Or not public university, but if I can prepare for now, it will be better. I can get admitted at national university.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
so
I have also a dream that I will take preparation about IELTS. So I heard the news from you that you are preparing for your IELTS exam and you are also doing IELTS course. So what's your feeling after completing? I think you have completed 1 month. Am I right?
Yes, more than 1 month.
Yeah.
So
What's your feeling about it?
Okay.
Will you be able to get your dream score?
okay, so
After
I don't
completing
want to
the course.
mention my dream score
Okay,
because
no problem.
if I will just mention it, people maybe criticize.
Okay, no problem. So what's your dream about it?
Okay, so
About
as you
IELTS?
know, right now I'm preparing myself to sit in the IELTS exam. So yeah, I have completed my course more than
Yeah.
1 month. So
Okay.
it is going to very beautifully, I can say. But there is something wrong with me because I'm not able to practice every day, every single moment. Because you know that if you want to get a good IELTS score in
Yeah,
IELTS
of
exam,
course.
first of all, you have to be passionate about it.
Oh, that's
Am I
really
right?
fantastic.
So yes, because without consistency or without passionate, you will not able to get your dream score.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
So you know that 6 or 6.5, it is very. From my side actually,
It is very easy.
it is very easy. If someone want to take, someone want to be able to take himself within a very short time, like 3 or 4 months, it will be easy. Okay, but if you want to acquire more than 7 or 7, it will be very tough for any kinds of people, I think.
Okay.
Because it needs more consistency, more weight, or something like that.
That's
Okay,
really
so
fantastic. Okay, do you have any question for me? You can ask.
yeah, of course. So as you have mentioned that you have completed your HSC exam, so
Yes.
and also you want to join national university, right?
Of course.
What will be your subject? Do you have any? Do you like any subject to complete your honors?
Yeah, I have a major subject will be that. It will be English, my dream subject. But if I don't get, I will be take another option. But if I want to get English, so I have to do hard work. And why I'm doing this, why I'm choose this option, because as I'm working as an English teacher at English Message, I'm an English instructor, you can say, and I'm teaching how to speak English. So for this reason, inshallah, in my future, I want to work as an English teacher. So that's why if I take English subject, it will be better for me. It will be better
Right.
for my future. So that's why I want to choose English.
Okay,
It's
so
my dream. Inshallah, I will get.
Okay, so you know that I had exceptional level of interest to get my dream subject,
Okay.
major subject. It is English, but unfortunately I didn't get this
Oh,
opportunity
that's-
to join to read. Okay, so but
Heartbreaking moment.
but I'm not thinking about that. But you know, I just took the exam without preparation, so I can say it is lack of my practicing. Okay, lack of my taking preparation. So that's why maybe I didn't get the chance.
Okay. So you mentioned that you are doing your IELTS course, and after doing your IELTS course, after getting any brand, so which country you wanna go? What's your
Okay,
dream
so
country?
that's the nice question for me. Okay, so many people think
Yes.
that if someone are preparing for getting for seat in the IELTS exam,
Yeah.
maybe they are thinking that, oh, after completing their IELTS exam, maybe they will move somewhere,
yeah.
like any kinds of country.
In our country, most of the people they
Think
do
that.
they do the IELTS course for going outside of the country.
Okay, so I think from my side actually, I think that if I will get a good band score in IELTS,
Yeah.
so if I will not be able to move on another country,
Yeah.
so I wanna be IELTS instructor.
Oh, that's
from
really
somewhere.
fantastic.
Yes. And also I have my exceptional level of interest to go in any country, and I have also favorite country, but now I'm not. I
Okay.
don't want to mention it.
What's
Okay.
your dream about Bangladesh? About this country, your country, about your country?
Okay,
What's your dream?
so if I will stay
Yeah.
in my country, I will try my level best to share my knowledge with the students so that they will be prepared for getting their IELTS score, a good band score.
You will work hard for the
Yes.
generation.
And you know, guys, those who are watching this video, it's been a long time. We don't make a video for this reason. Actually, we are facing some problem. Okay, so I think we will be able to overcome this site. Okay, so because it's been a long time, right?
Of course.
Okay, so I don't want to make it longer because my cameraman is
He's
trying
getting
to-
bored.
Yes, of course.
He don't like to make the video more
holding
longer.
holding the
He's
mobile
doing
phone.
really hard work. Everyone like for him, not for us.
Yes, and okay,
We
so
should mention his name.
okay,
No.
yes, Mamun Ahmed Munna is his name. So okay, so those who are watching this video, please pray for us, and also we'll pray for you so that you can reach your goal. Assalamu alaikum.